Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and we're going to do a quick tip on the paper trimmer. Now this Stampin' Trimmer is retiring this year, but it is still currently available as of today. And in the glitter pit, I had mentioned I put a piece of copy paper along this arm here on the trimmer, so I want to show you exactly what I did. So this is just a piece of 8.5 by 11 piece of computer paper, and I'm going to cut this at a 1/2 inch. Okay. And then we're going to take our snail. We're going to put snail along this 1/2 inch piece of computer paper, just like that. And then we're going to, let me actually just take this arm out of here. Okay, so I'm taking this piece of computer paper and I'm lining it up. Wait, I'm going to make sure it's at the 1 inch line down here. And I'm putting it right across that arm. Just like that. And then I'm adhering it down to the arm. So now when you flip it over, let me put it back in the trimmer and I'm going to show you why you want to do this ever so carefully. All right. So now when you look at this cutting arm, so like for instance here, if we're using darker cardstock and I want to cut on this cutting arm, so let's say I'm going to line this up at 2.5, but I want to cut, say from 3/4 down to say 8.5. I can see that measurement. Hopefully that shows up really nice. And compare it to the other trimmer. Let me show you the difference now if I use it without the copy paper on the arm. Okay, so here's another trimmer. This one's actually my husband's. So you can see, let me grab that gray cardstock again. You can see that you can't hardly see the measurements. Hopefully it shows up in the video. So you can tell the difference, right? So you can see where you're cutting on the arm, especially when you're doing those special cuts for like a fun fold or something. So like here's the paper under the arm on this one. When you put it over a piece of dark cardstock, because the numbers on the arm are black. So with that white piece of copy paper underneath there, the numbers just pop right out at you. All right, so now here's another tip. So this is the product that I use to clean my Stampin' Trimmer and then also the Stamparatus. And it's the Novus #1 step, and it cleans, shines, and protects. And my husband uses this for his motorcycle as well, but I find that it cleans my trimmer and the Stamparatus really nice. Now with your track here, I think I had posted a video on this a long time ago, but you want to take like a baby wipe and just run the baby wipe down this track to keep all the glitter and all the fifis and all that stuff right out of that track really nice. And then you got both sides, so clean both sides. And then it keeps that track really nice and clean for cutting. All right, so that's your quick tip. Hopefully it helped you. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.